Jurors will begin their fifth hour of deliberations in the Bill Cosby sexual assault trial this morning. They asked about Cosby's 2005 deposition last night. Jurors wanted to re-examine the section where Cosby admitted to giving pills to accuser Andrea Constand. Cosby is charged with 3 counts of aggravated indecent assault. He is now 79 years old, and if convicted, he could face up to 10 years in prison. Jericka Duncan is outside the courthouse in Norristown, Pennsylvania. Jericka, good morning.
Good morning. The jurors ordered takeout here to the courthouse and deliberated until about 9:30 last night. Now, they were left considering those closing arguments that revisited themes that we've heard throughout the trial. For example, the defense said that the relationship between Andrea Constand and Bill Cosby was romantic, while the prosecution implored jurors to look at this case as one about a woman who was taken advantage of and unable to consent. Bill Cosby was upbeat as he walked out of court late Monday night after jurors deliberated for 4 hours. Earlier that day, Cosby's wife, Camille, arrived in court for the first time. She was calm and appeared to smile as the defense spent nearly 2 hours making their closing arguments. The defense told jurors that Cosby had danced outside his marriage and that his wife deserved better, but that Cosby didn't commit a crime.
Mr. Cosby is very confident. He's confident in his legal team. This is the place where you come and get the truth.
Andrea Constand watched from the front row of the courtroom. The prosecution spoke last. They told jurors Constand spent a lot more time trying to forget about the alleged assault rather than trying to remember what Cosby did to her. Last week, Constand testified Cosby drugged her with pills and sexually assaulted her at his Philadelphia area home in 2004. While the prosecution called 12 witnesses, the defense presented only one, a detective who interviewed both Cosby and Constand in 2005. His testimony lasted 6 minutes. Throughout the trial, Cosby's team tried to weaken Constand's version of events and said Constand told a, quote, stone-cold lie when she told investigators she didn't contact Cosby after the alleged assault. We knew that Andrea Constand's testimony would be a key factor in this case. How well did she do?
I thought she provided a very coherent, believable version of events. The problems that the prosecution has is that there are a lot of inconsistencies, and those calls after the event can resonate with some jurors.
The jury is expected back in court later this morning, and this trial is moving faster than anticipated. The judge told the jurors they could expect to be here at least 2 weeks. Nora?
All right, Jericka Duncan, thank you.